Hello everyone, welcome to your moral science class. Children, this is my second video on the reflections on chapter given in chapter 2. Okay children, forgiveness. The story you have studied, once enemies now friends, and today I'll discuss on the reflections. So let's start children, let's begin. So children, we will study in the moral science the chapter 2. The story you know very well knowing about the story, whole story children, I have explained in a short in my previous video also. So I hope that it is no need now to explain again. Okay children, you have understood the word meanings and all the story very well. So now let's come in the page number children. Your reflections given in your book, and the page number is your 12. Please come in the page number 12 everyone. Children, here reflections you have to study that God has given man to the free will to do right or wrong. You are free to do, some restrictions are there, but you mostly whatever you like you are doing. Yes children, whenever you like to play you are playing, whenever you want to study you play, if you don't want then that day you are not doing the work, like this. Okay, so according to our wish we are doing, because God has given well that according to that we are doing our work. Okay children, and some people sometimes they perform the wrong things also. Okay, some wrong deeds they are performing. Some people, everyone can commit mistakes children. We are human beings and you know that we can do the mistakes. Okay, so it is natural that the person can do the mistakes. We should not do the mistakes while knowing it, okay, that I am going to do the wrong thing. No, if you are not knowing, unknowingly if you are doing the wrong things, then sometimes we are doing the mistakes. Okay children, but everyone can commits the mistake children, makes the mistakes, and sometimes it is a small mistakes. Okay, sometimes we are doing the small mistakes, okay, little bit, and sometimes the people are performing the great big mistakes. Okay children, such as not fulfilling something we promised to do. And sometimes what we are doing, sometimes it may be a bigger mistakes like telling a lie. Sometimes people are performing a big mistakes. What type of big mistakes they are doing? Sometimes they are telling a big lie. Okay, to suppose one lie, if you will say big lie, then other, for this your one lie can be, if you tell lie, then other people can become in a danger. Okay children, his life can be in the danger. And for this hiding that you are telling the lie, the people are again speaking more, they are becoming more liar. Okay, for hiding one thing, one aspect, they are speaking many things wrong. Okay children, and after that what they are doing, they are also ready to do the fighting with others. Okay, and hurting also either they are friends, their relatives, and anyone. Okay, so this is a very big mistake. We should not perform like this, we should not do like these things. Okay, and we should not tell lie, we should not fight with someone, anyone's. Okay children, sometimes a little mistakes can be happen by everyone. Okay, they can make mistakes, but we should not do the very big mistakes. Okay, we should not perform that big mistakes ever. That, and for that we should never tell a lie, we should not never fight with others, and we should not make a trouble for others also. Okay, we should not make hurt to anyone. So what we should do, if someone has done little bit mistakes, then we should forgive them. Okay, for their mistakes. By forgiving the mistakes of others, we give them a chance to improve themselves. If sometimes we are forgiving to someone, then it may be possible the person can realize and he will improve himself. Okay, sometimes when we are forgiving, we are overlooking the mistakes of other people, then they are realizing among themselves and they can improve. Okay, we have noticed, and after that we have forgiven them, overlooked his mistakes, then there is lots of chances then the people can improve himself. Okay, he will not perform this type of mistakes further in future. Okay, and those who don't forgive others, children, so we must forgive to the others and overlook their mistakes, and those who don't forgive others often suffer inside with anger and others feel uncomfortable. And it is for us also necessary, because when we are forgiving to the other people, when we are overlooking the mistakes of others, then we are also living in a peace. Okay, peace and calm, no problem is just we are feeling in our mind. Okay, otherwise we are also facing the tension, isn't it? Lots of problem, and we are also running, we are facing the anger, we are also in anger, and others, and in the we are living in uncomfortable conditions. So if God can forgive to us, and God has, because God has created also to us, isn't it? The God has created to us, and God is also always forgiving our mistakes, isn't it? So we are human beings, and we should also try to forgive the people's mistakes. So children, if God can forgive to us, then we are also created by him. Okay, so we should also try to forgive the person, okay, the people, and we are the images of God. Okay children, we should be forgiving and understanding too. So we have also these type of habits, that we should also understand the people, we should also forgive to the people, others people. Okay, because if we will not forgive, then we will also live in anger. Okay, we can't live our life peacefully. Okay, and lots of problem will also come in our mind, we will think different type of things. So we must forgive to the people, that's why because we can also live nicely. Okay, so this was your reflections, and children, fill in the blanks you complete in your book. That is, the man is free to do either, that I will explain in your class work, children. This one, fill in the blanks. So read this reflections, understand this reflections of the chapter. Okay, forgive, you know that to overlook the mistakes of other people, and this read many times, understand the reflection, and then complete the question answer and learn the question answer also too. Thank you children.